Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use smart replies in Gmail or AI suggested replies efficiently. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply tap open your Gmail. Once you open it, all you gotta do is simply go to its settings. So once you're in your settings, tap on the general settings and simply scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can simply find an option called Smart Reply if you are turning it on your desktop or PC. So once you find this, you can simply tap on it and click the saves. So once you have saved the change, when you open an email, suggested replies will appear at the bottom of the message. Now click on the suggestion to simply fill it. After this, you can also edit the suggestion to personalize it, and for AI powered help me write feature, you can go just simply tap open the compose button. Once you have tapped open your compose button, you can simply look for help me write icon, which is a pencil icon with a star. After this, enter a prompt describing what you want the email to say and click on create. Once this is done, you will be able to simply refine the generated text by editing it as well by the help of Gemini in Gmail. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.